Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you use Amazon voucher gift cards in Tamil or whatever platform it is you'd like to integrate your gift cards with? Right? It's going to be really simple. So, just go ahead and search Amazon gift cards. In here, you will find your gift cards here, basically. So, the ones that are available for you, just go ahead and click it. And once you have your, see, there's 2000, it's only country's revenue, so depending on which country you're in. I'm from the Philippines, so if you're an American, you basically have dollars like this one, but it's not available on my part. It's on pesos revenue, so I'm going to be selecting the gift card that is actually available for me and my platform. So let's take, for example, this one. So let's say, for example, if this one is available to me, the gift cards right here. So all I need to do is scroll down, and in here, whatever email it is that I have connected to other platforms like Tamil or just basically whatever it is like Facebook, or yeah, you could basically select it here and send the gift card, because it's basically what it is. It's a gift card, so you could just basically send it to a linked profile, and yeah, that is basically it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.